Delightful morning to everyone. Today is 22 April, Earth Day. The first Earth Day is celebrated on 1970. We should save the trees and plant the trees, much and more. We also should save electricity, uh, buy off the appliances by when it is not in use. We should not throw any garbage in the ocean because the pollution of water increases is harmful to us. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are celebrating the Earth Day. My question is, why shouldn't we dump the trash into oceans? We should not dump the trash into oceans because it is degraded by marine or natural resources, and it also poses the human health risks, or also harms or kills animals present in the water. It is also harmful for humans. Example, there is only under 3% of water left in the ocean for drinking for humans. If it is also polluted, there is no source left for the humans to drink water, and they will be also die, and the animals present in the water will also die. So save ocean, save life. Good morning, everyone. Today is our Earth Day activity. Today's question is why we should not dump garbage in ocean water. Because it kills many sea creatures. Because it depletes the water oxygen in water. It suffocates or choke sea creatures, or they eat them and get killed. It also affects humans also by eating the fish that has and make humans food poisoning. Thank you and have a peaceful day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am going to tell some lines about the Earth Day. Each year billions of fresh and other pollutants enters the ocean. From where does it come and from where does it goes? Some of the debris ends up on our beaches, and some of it is washed away in by the waves and tides. And some of the debris is eaten by the marine animals in the search of food, and that kills the marine.
Good morning to everyone. Earth Day celebrated on 22 April, and it is important for us. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the Earth Day. We celebrate the Earth Day on 22nd April for everywhere. We should take care of environment, and it is the day to show your love about our planet. We should grow plants and trees. It is the global warming growing our environment. Good morning to everyone. Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April. Earth is important for us. Thank you. Good morning to one and all present here. Today is our Earth Day on 22 April, and year is 1947. Every people has to Earth Day wishes. So and plant these so many trees on the earth, and do not throw the garbage in the ocean water, and save the wildlife without fertilizers food and
Good morning to everyone, one and all present here. Today is our Earth Day activity. Our question is, why should we not dump the trash in ocean? Every year, million of kilograms the trash is dumped in ocean. It causes very elimination of our resources like fish and plants in our ocean. The mostly dumped trash is from river. It cause very harmful diseases to our
Good morning to one and all present here. Today we Firstly, I am telling you, first Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April 1949, and then I am telling to this question. The ocean is vital to the survival. It provides us with food, and it is a source of rainfall, and it serves at home countless marine animals, and it is
Delightful to one not present here. Today I am going to share my thoughts about environmental imbalance which is increasing day by day due to many factors, and dumping trash in the ocean is one of the main reasons for the same. Earth is the only planet where life is possible, but if we will fail to control this environmental imbalance, there will be no life possible on Earth. Dumping discarded trash from domestic and commercial areas is affecting aquatic wildlife, vegetation, and water cycle too. So, as the environment is connected to each other and dependent on each other for everything, so if any one of these will get affected, the whole environment will be affected. So, we must take a pledge that we will dump trash properly as we are guided, and so that the possibility of life will be more healthy and beautiful.